Okay, question number 7 in the 2022 exam 1. Tile maker wants to make a square tile 20 centimetres by 20 centimetres. The tile surface is to be painted with 2 different colours that meet the following conditions. So that area is half and that area is half. When they join up, a single horizontal row, so the colours form a continuous pattern. So we have this continuity occurring when we join them all up. There are 2 types of tiles, tile A and tile B. Tile A, the colours are divided by this particular rule. So this is the rule for this. And for tile, and the corners have the coordinates 0, 20, 0, 20. Okay, so that's 20 across that way, and that's 20 across that way, and that's that tile there. Okay, a lot to work out in this question. Find the area of the front surface of each tile. Well, it's a 20 by 20 tile. 20, come on, right. 20 by 20, 400. What's our unit? Centimetres squared. Find the value of A such that tile A meets tile 1's conditions. A is the median. And if the median joins up, then this point here and this point here has to be equal. So it's got to be 10. It's got to be halfway. Otherwise, the condition of them joining up won't exist. If it wasn't 10, then this area wouldn't equal this area. So my answer has to be 10. What a silly question. So, okay. Tile B is an example of which shown by this particular rule. Show that tile B meets condition 1. Condition 1 is it's half. So if I know that the total is 400, I wish to show that the integral from 0 to 20 of this negative 1 on 100 x cubed plus 3 on 10 x squared minus 2x plus 10 dx, I've got to show that that equals 200. So square brackets of negative 1 on 400, 20 times 20 is 400 times they cancel to 0, I get 200, so that is correct. Okay, determine the endpoints on each tile. Hence, use these values to confirm that type A and B can be placed in order to produce a continuous pattern in order to meet condition 2. So the height has to be 10. So if I want to do that, then I need to make sure that G of 0 and G of 20 equal 10. G of 0 will equal 10 equals 10. And I need to prove that G of 20 also equals 10. That's going to be negative, which is going to equal, that's cubed, so that's 20 cubed is 8,000, so that's minus 80. And that's 400 divided by 10 is 40, so plus 120, minus 40 plus 10, which equals 10. So, okay, so G of 0 equals 10, G of 20 equals 10. So, since G of 0 equals G of 20, and it equals, what are we joining up with? F of 0, and it's equal to F of 20, Therefore, condition 2 fits.